Whether you love them or hate them, there's no denying that a productive morning routine will help you start the day off on the right foot. My name is Amy Huffle, the Talent Engagement Manager at Cornerstone Home Lending, and I'm so excited to talk about a few habits that you can implement in your morning routine that will transform your day. It's so tempting to hit that snooze button and get a few extra Z's, but before you know it, you're rushing around, throwing on clothes, and forgetting breakfast. If you're tired of starting your day like that, here are 3 habits you should make time for. Number 1, stay away from the screens. I don't know about you, but one of the first things that I do when I wake up is I check my phone. Before I know it, I've been scrolling on Instagram for way too long, and there goes my morning routine. If possible, try and stay off your phone until you leave or start work for the day. This will allow you to stay focused and start the day off on the right foot. Number 2, move your body. It doesn't have to be a full-on yoga routine or an intense workout, just get your blood flowing. Take 5 minutes to stretch and get your body moving. If you have time, try and take a walk with your pups and enjoy the morning air. Number 3, make time for personal development. A great habit to implement in your morning routine is personal development. Whether you meditate, write down affirmations, or read your favorite books, this is a great time to sit down and focus on you. I know that becoming a morning person doesn't just happen overnight. Try setting your alarm 5 minutes earlier every week until you find the perfect time for you and habits you want to implement. I hope this week's video has helped you discover the importance of a morning routine. Starting with these 3 easy habits will help you start off on the right foot. What's one thing you make sure you do every morning? I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.